All right, the Arizona residential purchase contract, 11 pages. First page basically talks about the property address, legal description, and then how much you're offering for the house, what type of earnest deposit, are you financing, paying cash, close of escrow. That's an important date right there. Any other addendums such as an HOA, a lead-based paint if it's built before 1978. This is another good section here. This talks about what's staying in the property. It describes what kind of fixtures are, if the refrigerator, washer, dryer is going to stay, if there's any other personal property that you want to stay with the property, you would put that here. Okay. This section all the way down to here talks about financing, and then if you're financing it as a conventional FHA, VA, anything like that, or if you're paying cash, we just check mark that box. If there's any concessions the seller is going to do, if the seller is going to maybe give you concessions for closing costs at the close of escrow, who the title company is, that information would go here. Any other types of disclosures. So there's always a seller's property disclosure statement. Sometimes sellers have never lived in the property, so it's very limited or none. And they would tell you that up front. Here's your lead-based paint information. If they know or don't know if there's lead-based paint, if you've been provided the information on that. Warranties, as for buyers and sellers. Inspection period, it's 10 days. According to this contract. However, that can be negotiated if you need more time, or if you're paying cash and you're like, you know what, we're just going to bust right through this, so we only need 5 days or 3 days. Further on down here, if it's connected to a sewer system, or if it's a septic tank, and then this here, if you want a home warranty, you can ask for a home warranty. You can ask, put who it's going to be issued by, how much it costs, and then who pays for it. A lot of times the seller will contribute for the home warranty. And then any additional terms that you have for the contract, maybe the listing agent is related to the seller, we would put that there. Any other special instructions or special concerns would go in here. Okay. It talks about cancellation. It talks about the different types of time periods. Then here we have terms of acceptance. This is where you would put in a date to where you would request the seller respond to your offer by. Sometimes they respond by that date. Sometimes they don't. It's half and half. And then sign everything. My information would go here. Your information would go here, and we'd sign.